Hello guys, this is Maher from RTD Motorsports, and today we're gonna talk about sticking shifters. So I'm gonna change the camera position. Alright, so once you have a shifter which is sticking on the left or right movement, alright, all what you have to do is using a 17mm wrench, just loosen this. You have to loosen this nut a little bit, just few degrees. All right, use a spray cleaner over this area. So you have to use a spray cleaner over this area where the nut fits over the bronze bushing, and in the inner area also between the spring and this part. Okay, make sure to use a spray, air spray. Clean well those areas. Once you make sure everything is clean, just spray some grease. And then use the 17mm wrench again, and tighten back that nut. Alright, when you tighten back that nut, make sure that you don't have any play over when I'm talking about this play, I mean a force and back play. Okay, so there should be zero play here. All right, and zero play while keeping the lever moving freely left and right. All right, so this is the main reason causing a sticking shifter. There is another reason, which is the rod joint. Sorry, the pivoting joint, I mean. Okay, this pivoting joint, which connects to the DSSR, this should be always rotating freely. Okay, so you have to keep it well greased. So you have to spray grease from time to time over this small hole. And that's it. So these two main reasons cause a sticking shifter. All right, so please, if you have any comments, make sure to add your comments in the comment section, and see you soon in more videos about your shifter maintenance.